Good morning. It is day 12. I'm barely out of camp. Most of everybody's got up and has gotten started for the day. It is a cloudy day. We're starting to get into some colder weather, and it sort of does it here for the next week. We're talking potential snow at night on Wednesday. So yeah, it's kind of nice to walk in the cooler weather. But at the same point, I was kind of like, don't want more snow to get on San Juancito. But yeah, just a kind of a slow morning. Well, I mean, it's like 6:30 in the morning, but slower than I wanted to. Because originally I was like, yeah, I'll get up for the sunrise at Eagle Rock, because like that's a thing. Well, look, there is no sunrise. It's too cloudy. So anyways, I will check in with you guys later. There's Eagle Rock. You can see all the hikers taking pictures right now. Okay, made it up to Eagle Rock. It is cold, but just to let everybody know, this is a sacred site to the indigenous people of the area. Obviously, eagle. A lot of eagles are a very sacred animal in a lot of indigenous cultures in North America and possibly in South America. So the local tribe has asked people not to climb on top of the eagle, because some people have done that. I mean, please respect their wishes if you're able to. Please, as someone with a bit of indigenous culture, like, don't climb up there. Just take your pictures in front of it. You know, it's prettier that way. So that's just my small request. If you're another hiker seeing this, plan to do the PCT, please don't climb on top of Eagle Rock. But yeah, it's very pretty. I can see why it's sacred. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a couple more moments here and then head on. So I went to fix my thing, and there's like this fly coming out of like a chrysalis of some kind. Huh. Wish my camera would focus on it better. There we go. That's neat. can tell the ants are cold too. Look at how slowly they're moving. Usually they go a lot faster than this, but they're just really slowly moving. So a lot of times these gates will have stickers on them, not like this one today. Go outside. Doing it. But yeah, here's an example. So I'm doing something I didn't think I would. I'm backtracking. I'm just like right outside of Warner Springs. I saw a lizard chili in them. And they're like, oh, you didn't go into town? I was like, no. And they're like, everybody had too much food in the boxes. There's a bunch of food there. And they're like, and there's hot dogs at the gas station. And you know what? I'm a little cold. I want hot food. Hell, I want microwave food. I also want to see if they have a certain kind of water bottle that I haven't been able to find since I started. It's a certain type of cap. Anybody that knows is a hiker knows what I'm talking about. The like little flip caps. One of mine broke a while ago. But you know what? I'm really not that motivated to hike today. If I go 10 miles, I go 10 miles. If I go 15 like I planned, I go 15. I don't freaking care right now. I don't know, for whatever reason today I'm just like right in this moment, not into it. And I don't think it's because I'm too cold or anything. It's just, I don't know what it is. Like, I'm fine. I won't quit or anything. It's just, I'm going back into town for a little bit. And then I'll just hike until I don't want to hike anymore. And then I'll just replan. I almost ate it all, but having a soda and a little bit of warm food, it's making me feel better. So I'll chill here for about another 10-15 minutes. But yeah, I'll chill here for about another 10-15 minutes, and then there's a trail angel at the gas station here, and I'll take a ride back to trail. Pack out this big bag of Funyuns and some salt and vinegar chips. Maybe throw away a couple of things. Alright, it's 11:30. Let's start this trail thing again. Got some warm food. Not very far from Warner. Got across this little creek. But yeah, that's what I needed, just to sit for a minute, get a little bit of warm food. I'm packing out a little bit of soda, like half of my soda that I drink. And then I have some Funyuns and salt and vinegar chips. Of course, carrying way too much food still. But I still have no appetite. I'm really hoping it kicks in sooner than later, because I really don't want to be losing weight too much too quickly. But yeah. Anyways, today's a good day now. I'm ready to hike. Definitely feels so much better now. I've just been singing to myself the past like few minutes. So yeah, but just get to hike in this meadow for a while. I don't know if I'll try to make it to 119 anymore, but I'm just gonna hike and see how I feel. And then there's a little bit of sun shining over there, so maybe it'll pop through some of these clouds a little bit. But yeah, you know, when you're having a crappy morning, town food, even if it's just like this weird hot dog sausage dog thing, it's restorative, man, I tell you. And soda, oh my god, oh, I love soda. But yeah, so I got about 2.5 days, like I said, to Idlewild or Paradise Valley Cafe or something like that, maybe 3 days, I don't know. But yeah, I'm feeling a lot better now. Starting to get warmed up. I was getting cold sitting there at the picnic tables outside though. But yeah, let's do this. Let's get hiking. I'm very happy now, like crazy happy right now. Be happy hiker, I'm a happy hiker now. Walking through a field of wildflowers, hey. Hiking, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm a happy hiker now, 'cause I got some food and some good clean water. I'm on my way, and I got energy. I'm a happy hiker now, a happy hiker. Hike, 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 hike. Just an assumption, but this area must flood out occasionally, because that's a lot of like sand. And like you can see the creek flowing a little bit over there to the left. Let me zoom in. So like the creek is there a little bit. But yeah, I wonder when they get a lot of rain if this just like completely floods out. So we're hiking towards those mountains because we got to go up today. There's about 9 miles of up is what the trail angel off trail was saying after we get done with this flat section. So I'll be heading into those mountains straight ahead at some point today and start the climb up. I won't make it all the way up, but I'll probably be about halfway. So I'm really loving this walk down to the stream. There's these trees, a new kind tree, and it's got this like ribbony bark. But what's also really neat is these little like kind of flower things in the bottom. They're like, you know, kind of orangish, reddish, greenish mixture. And I don't know, it looks really cool when I walk. I have a little bit of soda from town earlier, and it's like the best thing ever right now. Still setting up, got to camp, did about 15 miles today. Super windy, but it's on a ridge, and it's gonna have a great view. Alright, we're all like hanging out, looking at the sunset. And then there's a bunch of us camped up here.